Hello guys, welcome to Medical Maniac. So today let's talk about PMS or premenstrual syndrome. So premenstrual syndrome is a condition that affects a woman's emotions, physical health and behavior during certain days of the menstrual cycle. Generally, just before her menses, it encompasses a vast array of psychological symptoms like depression, anxiety, irritability, and loss of confidence and mood swings. There are also physical symptoms like weakness, headaches, bloatedness, and mastalgia. Causes of PMS. Although there has been no known cause of PMS, hormonal changes are said to affect or contribute to these symptoms. The symptoms of PMS occur differently among different women. They can also vary for the same person in her different ages. The exact reason for premenstrual syndrome is unknown, but several factors may contribute to this condition. Signs and symptoms of premenstrual syndrome change with hormonal signs and symptoms of premenstrual syndrome change with hormonal fluctuations and disappear with pregnancy and menopause. It is commonly related to an excess of estrogen production and deficiency of progesterone in the luteal phase of a menstrual cycle. Fluctuations of serotonin, a brain chemical which is a neurotransmitter that's thought to play a crucial role in mood states, could trigger PMS symptoms. Insufficient amounts of serotonin may contribute to premenstrual depression as well as to fatigue, food cravings, and sleep problems. Inadequate neurotransmitter synthesis, adrenal fatigue, and cortisol dysregulation may also make things worse. How to manage PMS? An important part of managing menstrual symptoms is tracking. Every woman has a different experience, and so it is important to have a constant check about her cycle. Dietary changes. It is well known that if you have a healthy lifestyle and include more dietary vitamins into your diet, you will be relieved from PMS symptoms to an extent. A clinical trial found that a calcium supplement helped with PMS related feelings of sadness, irritability, and anxiety. So, add lots of milk, yogurt, and leafy green vegetables to your diet. Vitamin B6 might also help with PMS syndrome or PMS symptoms. You can find it in fish, chicken, and turkey. Try to resist the junk food cravings that can come with PMS. Large amounts of sugar, fat, and salt can all wreak havoc on your mood and mind. Exercise. It is better if you are trying to be active for at least 30 minutes a day. Research suggests that even simple aerobics can help improve PMS. Even a daily walk through your neighborhood can help with feelings of sadness, irritability, and anxiety. Sleep. Not getting enough sleep can kill your mood. If you are weeks away from your period, try to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep at night, especially in the week or two leading up to your period. If you are having sleep disturbances during your periods, practicing good sleep hygiene can help you. Stress. Unmanaged stress can worsen mood swings. Use deep breathing exercises, meditation, or yoga to calm both your mind and body, especially when you feel PMS symptoms coming on. Medication. If other treatment options aren't helping, you may need antidepressants or diuretics to feel better. In that case, it is advisable to consult a doctor and do proper treatment. Sometimes you may experience a more severe form of PMS called PMDD, which is called as premenstrual dysphoric disorder. Here, the symptoms can interfere with your daily activities and hamper your healthy relationship. It is a psychiatric condition and thus needs proper scientific treatment. Breaking the stigma. Apart from the woman who is going through her PMS, it is important to ensure she has enough support, care, and help from her family, friends, and colleagues. The recent menstrual leaves by big corporations are a welcome step in this regard. Thus, premenstrual syndrome is a reality that is faced by about half of the population of the world. Normalizing talks about periods, addressing period poverty, and empowering both men and women. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and comment. We'll meet you on another video of Medical Maniac. Thank you. Bye.